All right, so the company sent me this Milk Frother, and we're gonna review it and try it out right now. So I unboxed everything. It's really neat. It's this nice white design. As you can see in the inside, you have the little frothing thing, min, max, just when you're filling it up with the froth. It came with this little cool cleaning brush, which is pretty neat. It's a little soft here though, so if you're scrubbing it with the sponge, I don't know what this brush is gonna do. Maybe to kind of get into the little nooks and crannies. But it came with it, so you got it, so you might as well put it to use. And you've got the top here that comes with an additional frother, which is used to froth the milk. So you've got two frothers. You've got the milk frother machine here. You've got the base, which is awesome, and you've got the cover. So let's just put some milk in and try this out. The one thing I want to point out though is this actually has 4 different settings, which is really cool. It has the cold, so you could froth it up with cold without heating up the milk. It has just heat, which is really cool. You don't have to froth the milk, it'll just heat it up for you. And then you have thick foam, and you have thick foam and frothy foam, according to the manual that we got right here. This is how you use it. 1 press, frothing and heating, densely textured. 2 presses, frothing and heating, fluffy foam. 3rd press is heating only, and push it 4 times, and now you got yourself frothing some cold foam. So let's give this thing a shot and see how it works. All right, so as you can see here, every time you click it, it's going to tell you exactly what you're doing, so there's no guessing. So that's pretty cool. So let's just start with heating it up first. So I got it on the heat, and it's still, oh, it's actually spinning, but it's spinning really slow. That's pretty cool. Let's see how it comes out when it's done. Okay, so it just finished. It took about a minute to do. It lightly frothed it, as you could kind of see here. And it heated up the milk. You saw it kind of get a little steamy. I'm just going to pour a little bit in there just to kind of see. So this was the no froth setting. So it got a little bit of froth. This was the setting that was just supposed to heat up the milk. So we got some warm milk here. And now I just want to see what the other settings look like, even though we're a little frothed up. It took about a minute, maybe a little over a minute, because when you're sitting just waiting, sometimes it seems longer. But it took about a minute to do. So let's try it out with the dense froth and see how that goes. All right, that was way faster. I think probably because I already heated it up. But you could definitely see the froth that's there. Maybe you want to start with a new cup. But the thing's pretty cool, man. It's going to froth, heat up. It's going to spin. You've got the frothing thing right here. One thing I do also want to mention is this. It's not magnetic. It's a little clip on the bottom there. So even when you're putting it in here, there's a little clip that you gotta like clip this in and then really tug it out to pull it out. But that's about it. I mean, you're getting yourself a pretty good frother. I haven't seen one with 4 different options on it. You're frothing your milk, you're heating up your milk. I think no matter what you do, there's always going to be a little bit of froth because it has to spin. But that's all right, man. If you're getting the milk frothed up and whatever you pour in, you can see this is the milk here. That's not frothed up. That's just warm milk because I touched it and it was it was definitely warm. So that's it. I think you're getting a solid product here with this, and it's pretty legit. So I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my coffee now.